From the Military University Weather Center, this is student meteorologist Charlie Beetham.
And student meteorologist Peter Corman here at the short-term forecast for Monday, March 2nd, 2026. You know, Charlie, after a warm start to the weekend here, things were turned down to much more seasonal conditions with a northerly wind that made it feel a little bit chilly at times. And today it's not going to be any better. Colder, mostly cloudy, temperatures struggling to reach the mid-30s. You know, not the kind of weather I like, and especially with the wintry precip threat we have coming in tonight into Tuesday.
Yeah, but how about that 62 on Saturday?
It was beautiful.
Anyways, on that note, taking a look at today's climatology, we have a high today of 34 degrees, which is 12 below the normal high of 46. This morning recorded a low temperature of 23 degrees, which is 4 below the normal low of 27. Today's records were a high of 76 degrees set back in 1972 and a low of 8 degrees set back in 1962. Taking a look outside with our sky cam, it is just a dreary, cloudy day today. Bunch of low stratus clouds up in the sky, which is backed up by our visible satellite image, showing a lot of clouds over the lower Susquehanna Valley and, quite honestly, the whole state, really. Looking at our radar, we can see, though, at least most of the precipitation is missing us. Well, really, most of the precipitation over us is Virgo, which is precipitation that's not reaching the ground. As for the precipitation that's reaching the ground, that's currently west of Pennsylvania. That will only be, though, until tonight.
Taking a look at the European model here, a Canadian high-pressure system over the northeast will promote mostly cloudy and unseasonably cold conditions today, with high temperatures around 10 degrees below normal. As that high-pressure system shifts off the coast this afternoon and this evening, a warm front will lift northward through the Commonwealth later tonight through Tuesday, and bring a light wintry mix of snow, sleet, and freezing rain to the lower Susquehanna Valley, mainly between the hours of 1 and 10 a.m. Most areas will receive a coating to 1 inch of snow and sleet and a light glaze of ice prior to changeover to plain rain during the mid to late morning hours. Untreated and secondary roadways may turn slick and slippery, so motorists should exercise caution during the morning commute on Tuesday. Periods of light rain will then persist into Tuesday night before tapering off early Wednesday morning. The frontal boundary that will still be over or in close proximity to northern Maryland and southeastern Pennsylvania on Wednesday. As a result, clouds will linger throughout the day, and an additional shower or two cannot be ruled out. However, temperatures will be significantly higher than Tuesday and reach the low to mid-50s. Taking a look at the forecast from the Milledgeville University Weather Information Center, tonight will be cloudy with a bit of light snow, sleet, and freezing rain late, with a low of 28. Tuesday will be cloudy with a light wintry mix changing to plain rain by mid-morning, high 38. And Wednesday will be mostly cloudy and mild with an afternoon shower, high of 54. That will do it for this edition of the short-term video. Tune back in later today for the next edition. Thank you.